Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this update. Alright, so click on the giveaway booth, click on the top part of the video, come to the giveaway booth, drop a heart. You have an opportunity for 15 USDT and a 1 month private group. Speaking of private, I do plan to convert $300 to $600, which is 100-300% profit in the next coming few weeks, because I do have a private video that I posted on Atom Trades here, which is totally private. If you join, there's this video, and I'm pretty sure if you watch that video you will agree that yes, that plan is actually makes a lot of sense. So yeah, make sure 2 more days are left and we're going to come to an end. What is ICP doing? And before ICP, what is Bitcoin doing? So speaking of Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is in trouble, and that is because the weekly time frame is in a lot of trouble right now. And if you look at how this weekly candle closed yesterday, you can see that that is a pure bearish spinning top, and this bearish spinning top means that Bitcoin is bound to move lower. Okay, I'm actually showing you this so that we can actually know what Bitcoin is doing. If you know what Bitcoin is doing, you will understand what altcoins are doing. And then on the 4-hour time frame, tell me any beautiful bearish divergence than this. You have the move to the upside and you're pushing to the downside. This is a very big bearish message right over there. It's what the chart is saying and not what I'm saying. Now if you go back to the ICP, and if you look at the ICP at the moment, it seems like on the 4-hour time frame you have made another negative pattern, and that is when you move down you have printed in a flag, mini flag right there. So the technical target for this flag is if you drop down from there, this actually comes down to 11.163, and I think you are looking for a further push down, which is 8.79. And speaking of a bearish pattern, Bitcoin has one as well on the 4-hour time frame. This is known as ascending broadening wedge, broke down, retested, and also it is looking to come down to 46,560. So joining the dots together, if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at ICP, this has a bearish pattern, bearish divergence. ICP also did one thing that was really bad, and I know that I was talking about ICP previously, and that is it broke above, and I did enter at the retest, and I did enter risking 2-3%, and I closed it immediately because this was not good. I think it was a message here back in the private. Today we actually had a nice good win from Ape. We got like 15-20%, but let's see what I had here. Don't feel down, please. Yeah, we had some few couple of, yeah, so here it is. It was back at 19 February by ICP at 13.84, and this was at 12.867. So we actually exit at 13.3 way before it even came to 12.8, because this fake out to me wasn't good. When this thing happened, I think it was back here. Do you see this right over here? 20 of February. We entered at 19, and then at 21 or 20, when I saw this happening here, I didn't like it. I actually closed ICP because this was a first retest that was good, the second retest that was good. As soon as you popped down and you went up and you failed here, this is your zone of just running away. You should learn how to exit from trades, and I do talk about exiting from a trade in detail in my own trading course as well if you want to get it, and I do talk in detail how to enter as well, which a lot of people don't understand. And that's all for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.